Welcome back to the channel. It's August 17th, 2025, and today we're looking at Bigbear.ai Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI. The stock has been quite active recently, closing at $6.14 on August 15th, up about 5.14% on the day, although it pulled back slightly in after-hours trading to $6.11. The price action over the last month has seen BBAI range between roughly $4.85 and $7.34, reflecting volatility tied to AI, sector momentum, and company-specific news. Bigbear.ai's recent Q2 earnings disappointed some, with misses on revenue and reduced guidance, which caused some short-term selling pressure. However, the company continues to invest heavily in AI technology and has secured significant government contracts, including in defense and intelligence, which many see as a long-term growth driver. Looking at analyst sentiment, firms like H.C. Wainwright have a buy rating with price targets near $8, signaling optimism despite near-term challenges. Institutional interest remains strong, with major investors like Vanguard and BlackRock increasing stakes in recent quarters. So what's the trading strategy here? For short-term traders, momentum remains key. Watching support levels around $5.75 to $6 is crucial, and resistance near $7 could be a target for possible profit-taking. Tight stop losses help manage risk given the volatility. Long-term investors might consider slowly accumulating shares during pullbacks, betting on continued gains from government contracts and AI advancements. But given the sector's inherent volatility and Bigbear.ai's spending on growth, proper risk management is essential. That's the latest on BBAI. Stay sharp, trade smart, and hit like if this update helped. Subscribe for more timely stock insights. See you next time.